Okay, so you gotta, that pulls that U part down, and then the lever comes back here. So I'm gonna do this as one hand. So that makes the horseshoe bit go up and down. When it's down, it's unlocked, and you can see these engage those right there, and when you pull this back, it releases it. So that's the down position. Set your seat on top like this, make sure it's down right here. Give it a little shove forward like that. And then when you turn the key back up, the lock keeps this lever from moving, and then you can't get the seat off. So that's it.